Hello everybody and welcome back to a quick weekly forecast. Today I want to give you a forecast on three pairs. Let's start with the dollar Japanese yen. As you can see here, the pair was quite in somehow a downwards movement the whole time, which formed kind of flag pattern. It broke out but couldn't hold this and got back into the channel. So what happened next? When we go to a smaller time frame, we can see a strong downwards movement, which somehow a consolidation to the upside. So when we go to the 15-minute time frame, we can see here that this was somehow a channel-like formation, which could also be like a flag pattern formation if it breaks out to the downside. So we have to wait until the price breaks either to the downside and wait for the retest of this trend line and channel line here, and then sell at the high with a take profit at about the lower area of this consolidation here. But as long as the price didn't break to the downside, we're still in upwards movement, and once the price has closed outside of this trend line here, which got tested even multiple times, we can go even higher. So when the price moves out of this channel line at the bigger time frame, we want to wait until the price goes a bit down, makes a retracement, and then go for a buy on the longer term. So this is the first pair you can trade next week. Either wait for the break to the downside at the 15-minute channel, or wait for a longer term buy if the price closes outside of this strong trend line here. So the next pair I want to talk about is the US dollar Turkish Lira. You can see here the pair was in an everlasting upwards movement, which was really strong, and then since many weeks the pair is consolidating, forming somehow a triangle-like pattern. And we can see here that the price has tested this lower triangle line and got support here. So when we look to the weekly time frame, we can see that some buyers came into the market last week. So we want to wait until the price maybe goes down a bit to the lower area of this price, and then this would be a good place to go long on this pair. To take profit, I would recommend this area about here to take the first take profit, even on the smaller time frames at some earlier prices. But on the long term, this pair could even break this triangle line and can go even higher in the next few weeks. And the last pair I want to talk about is the euro-dollar pair. You can see here that the pair has moved quite a bit up in the last time when we look at the daily time frame. And what we could see in the last week, some sellers came into the market and also many people were taking the profits at this high level. So when we go to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the price has moved down, but as it is now, it's too late to sell this pair. We want the pair to bounce back and sell at least at this horizontal line up here. It got tested here, 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 and here. So this seems to be kind of strong resistance, and maybe it could be a good opportunity to place some sell limits at this level with the stop loss above and take some profits at around this area here. So these are three pairs I would recommend to have an eye on for next week. And thanks a lot for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So see you next time, and have a happy trading.